আপ ডাউন হচ্ছে।
Have you seen my screen? Hello? হ্যালো উজ্জ্বল।
অভিনব স্যার 5 মিনিটে আসছে।
আচ্ছা আসুক, ততক্ষণ শুরু করছি। বলছি দেখতে পাচ্ছ
হ্যাঁ স্যার
স্ক্রিনটা?
দেখা যাচ্ছে।
Okay, I can start it because already late. So last class we discuss. Good morning, everybody, my dear students. And last class we discussed about the mutagens. What are the mutagens? Those agents which causes the mutation. And today we discuss about the mutation process. Mutation is basically alteration of the DNA, the sudden inheritable changes in the genetic material or character of a organism is known as the mutation. That when mutation means the change or alternation of any DNA sequence by the external or by the internal or by the spontaneous change of the DNA sequence. As a result, the change of the DNA sequence and ultimately the morphological characteristic or genetic characteristics may be changes, either the beneficial or by the detrimental. So mutation sometimes it is advantageous, but sometimes it will be disadvantageous also. And mutation causes sometimes a harmful effect like the cancer like disease also. The individuals showing the changes are known as the mutants. Those agents, basically those agents which change the mutation or the cause the mutation, that are called the mutants. An individual showing a altered phenotype due to the mutation are known as the variant. And the factors or agent causing the mutation are called the mutagens. What are the variants? A individual showing an altered the phenotype is the same type and due to the mutation are known as the variants. Mutation which cause yes, changes in the base sequence of the gene is known as the gene mutation or the point mutation. Last, in case of protein synthesis or in case of protein synthesis, in case of protein synthesis you can see the various type of mutation. And another, in case of mutagen we discuss about the different types of mutation. When the change of a single base, it is called the gene mutation or it called the commonly known as the point mutation. Just alter the one base sequence. What the history behind this mutation? The English farmer Seth Wright recorded the case of mutation first time in 1791 in the male lamb with the unusual short legs. Suddenly that their leg is short. And why it is? He started his in this regards and ultimately it is a result of mutation. The term mutation is coined by the Hugo de Veris in the 1900 by the observation of the Onenthera, and the systematic study of the mutation was started in the 1910 when the Morgan genetically analyzed white eye mutant of Drosophila, and H. A. Muller J. Muller introduced the mutation in the Drosophila by using the X-ray in 1927. So X-ray is the one of the most important physical agent that causes the mutation, and that is done by the H. J. Mullers, and he was awarded in the Nobel Prize in the 1946. He was first established in the 1927 and he got Nobel Prize in the 1946. So there evaluation of the work is so many years long. Okay, this is the short history of mutation. And what are the characteristics of the mutation? Generally, the mutant allele are responsive to their wild type of or the normal allele. What do you mean by the allele? Allele is the morphology one gene to form a two or more simultaneous gene. It is called the allele, and the recessive to their wild type or in the normal types. In case of, say for example, in case of ABO gene, in case of blood group of ABO gene, which is form a allele around 6 types of. So most mutation have been the harmful effect, but some mutation are the beneficial. Generally, most of the around 90% case the mutation is harmful, and basically it produces some cancer. But sometimes also mutation are beneficial. And say for example, in case of the human beings today, now the human beings which is come from the actually monkey is converted to human beings, but this is a result of mutation. The result of mutation. Most mutation have been harmful, and spontaneous mutation occur at very low rate. Generally, in case of spontaneous, that means there is no artificial agent. It will be occurred in the spontaneously. It will be occurred at very low rate, because their spontaneous mutation, this process is very slow rather than the artificial mutation. And some genes shows the high rate of mutation, such as gene are called the mutable gene. Those genes which are high rate of mutation and such gene are called the mutable genes. Highly mutable sites within the gene are known as the hotspot. যেরকম এখন হটস্পট ইন কেস অফ করোনা, হাইলি মিউটেবল সাইট, মানে where the site of the gene.
অরুণাভ মনে হচ্ছে একটু জয়েন হতে যাচ্ছে, একটু দেখুন না।
ঠিক আছে, দেখছি, একজনকে জয়েন করলাম তো। ঠিক আছে, just you write your name and roll number in the chat box. So some genes showing the high rate of mutation, such genes are called the mutable genes. Mutable genes. Very good. And highly mutable site within the gene are known as the hotspot. Highly mutable site within the gene having the different site, and those sites are the highly mutable or changeable, very susceptible to change this site. It is called the hotspot. And the mutation can occur in any first tissue or the cell or the somatic or the germinal of a organism. Mutation occurs generally any types of tissue. It is not fixed for the certain types of tissue. It is done in the any types of tissue, and genetically, or the somatic tissue or the germinal tissue. Somatic means those are somatic cell, and the germinal means these are growing fast often organisms. Next is the classification of the mutation, and based on the survival of an individuals. Based on the survival of an individuals, one is the lethal mutation. When the mutation causes death of an individual, and undergoing the mutation are known as the lethal. Lethal means there may be death. Due to the mutation, it will be death may be occurred. And when the mutation causes death of an individual, it is called the lethal mutation. And sublethal mutation, the death rate is comparatively slower than the lethal mutation, and cause of death or causes death of 90% of an individual. It is called the sublethal mutation. So in case of sublethal mutation, their death rate is comparatively slower. And subvital mutation, such mutation kill less than 90% of an individual. That is called the subvital mutation. That means below 90%. And vital mutation, when the mutation don't affect the survival of an individual, are known as the vital mutation. And supervital mutation, this kind of mutation enhance the survival of the individual. That means supervital mutation, in that case the death rate is very slow or lethal effect is very slow rather than the survival rate. So in that case there is a changes of the gene sequence, but the survival rate is high than the lethal rate or morbidity. And based on the cause of mutation, one is the based of the survival of individuals, and here is the based on the cause of mutation, based on the base cause. What is the cause? Now it will be classified into two groups. One is the spontaneous mutation. That means the individual person can spontaneously mutate. Spontaneous mutation occur naturally within the any tissue without any cause, and the rate of spontaneous mutation is very slow. As for example, methylation or TT dimer followed by the deamination of the cytosine, and the rate of spontaneous is higher in case of eukaryotic than the prokaryotic. As for example, so in case of spontaneous mutation, the mutation rate is slow, but very slow. But in case of eukaryotic, it is quite faster than the prokaryotics, but slow in process, obviously. But in comparatively, in case of eukaryotic, the rate of mutation or slow rate of mutation than the prokaryotics. Say for example, UV light of sun causing mutation in case of bacteria also. Not only the bacteria, this UV light may causes the cancer in case of human also. And this UV, basically the near and far UV light, and that's why there's so many company produce some cream, sunscreening agent, UV light protection, UV A or B, C. So that type of UV light which causes the cancer, basically they produce TT dimer, T added attached with the adenine, but T sometimes to form a TT dimers, thymine dimer, and ultimately they produce the skin cancer or multiple myeloma that produce skin cancer. This is the example of spontaneous mutation due to sunlight or due to an UV light which arises from the sun. So these are the spontaneous mutation. Another is a induced mutation. What is called induced mutation? There is a not spontaneous. There is by some exposure by some agents or exposure by some other things that will cause this mutation. It is called the induced mutation. And mutation produced due to the treatment with either a chemical or a physical agent are called the induced mutation. That means which are induced, not by spontaneous. You exposure some other things or you have induced by the other physical or the chemical agent. That is called the induced mutation. And these agents capable of inducing such mutation are known as the mutagens. Obviously, these are last class we discussed about the what are the mutagens. Now those agent produce, and that type of mutation is called the induced mutations. Nowadays the different types of disease and the drug induced disease. Sometimes there are some drugs which causes some diseases. That is called the drug induced disease. Here some agents which induce mutation. That's why it is called the induced mutation. And the agent capable of inducing such mutation are known as the mutagen, and used for the induced mutation for the crop improvement program is known as the mutation breeding. This is very beneficial to the society, but sometimes as per my observation, as per my knowledge concern, it is nowadays it is very useful and very beneficial to the society to overcome the crisis of the food, but after a long period of time it will be a problem. Nowadays there are so many fruits, crops, and the foods come due to the hybridization or the due to the mutation or the result of mutation. Ultimately the high yielding crops will become and the bigger size of fruits. But after a long time use, this is my observation, my opinion is that after a long use of this type of fruits, I think it will be a problem, because this is a genetic or mutated fruits or genetically manipulated fruits or due to hybridization. তার মানে there is a changes of the gene. So at the types of changes of the gene, that type of gene when introduced in your body, today নয়, it will be day after tomorrow নয়, it will be after a month, a year, or a year after or 20 to 50 years long, after some person or some individuals may be affected due to this type of food. This is my opinion. X-ray causing the mutation in case of cereals also. This is a induced mutation, but when the X-ray exposure, this is called spontaneous mutation. Another is the based on the tissue of origin. Tissue origin based on the which type of tissue and the mutated. This is called the in case of somatic mutation. A mutation occurring in case of somatic cell is called the somatic mutation. And the asexual reproduction species somatic mutation and transmitted to form a progeny to the next progeny. And the another is a germinal mutation, actually rapidly growing tissue. When the mutation occurred in the germinating cell or reproductive cell, especially the reproductive cell. Somatic one in all types of cell, but in case of reproductive cell, any mutation that are known as the germinal mutation. And in sexually reproductive species, only the germinal mutation are transmitted to the next generation. This is why the first generation is quite older than the second generation or next generation. So next generation or the latest generation comparatively more intelligent, more powerful, more nice than the older, because there is genetic variation or genetic germinal due to germinal mutation based on the direction of mutation. One is the forward mutation, another reverse mutation. When the mutation occurs from the normal or wild type allele to mutant allele are known as the forward type of mutation. Then wild, normal or wild type of allele. Allele means one of the gene can variable to two or more types of genes. That is the mutant allele are known as the forward type of mutation. What is reverse? Now when the mutation occurs in the reverse direction, that means backward direction. These are the form of mutant allele to form a normal wild. Here is the normal wild to mutant, and here is the mutant allele to the normal wild type of allele. That means normal gene can produce the mutant, that is called the forward. What is called backward? The mutant allele to formation of normal or wild type allele are known as the reverse mutation. So generally chromosomal mutation, generally the mutation chance in case of chromosomal, these are the point, here is the point, there is a cross linking, changing the structure or the loss of gain, because there is a chance of mutation in case of mitotic cell division or meiotic cell division. Because here is the one arm, here is the one arm, whatever the XYZ. So suppose this arm attached with this arm, this is the normal structure. But in case of cross linking, there is a chance of the suppose it will be reversed. This arm change to this position and this will be the change with this position. So in case of cross linking or vice versa, here this arm change to this left side and this left side goes to the right side. So this type of change is very seen in case of, so the in case of chromosomal mutation is a very rapid, and a chance of mutation in case of chromosome is very high due to their cross linking. Chromosomal mutation, it will be classified into 5 groups of. One is the deletion, inversion, translocation, non-junctional and duplication. First on the deletion. Deletion due to breakage or deletion of the, sometimes deletion of one base pair or a number of base pair will be deleted from the original gene, that is called the deletion. And due to the breakage or the piece of chromosome is lost. Here you can see it, this portion will be breakage This is called the deletion. This portion of the chromosomal and deleted of the gene material, ultimately these are the form. So there is the deletion. So these character, these chromosomal characteristics will be changed, and these are will be the different characters. So in the case there is a breakage of the piece of chromosome will be breakage. That is called the deletion. Another inversion, the chromosomal segment break up or segment flips around the backwards and segment or reattachment. In case of inversion, generally three types or three process. One is the chromosome segment breakup or segment flips around the backwards and segment to be reattached. Here the chromosome will be the breaks the chromosomes that will be break or reinserted the piece. देखो here is the violet color, then the brown, then the green color, but here will be the breaks. This is the inversion. It will change. It will be just change this direction or this type of direction. Ultimately, here is the color will be just changes. That means their sequence will be changed. Here will be the same. They could violet color, gray color, and green color, then violet. Here will be the change. It will be, so their segment will be changed and inversely change with the their position or genetic position. That will be the inversion. Another is a duplication occurs when the gene sequence in the repeated manner. That is called the duplication. Or the duplication, here is the same duplicate and the same types of, but here is the same sequence, another sequence, the same DNA is the duplicated gene. It is called the duplication process. And the translocation, the involved in the two chromosomes that are not homologous. A part of the chromosome is transferred to the another chromosome. It is called the translocation. That means one chromosome is attached to the another chromosome or translate to the another chromosome. It is called the translocation. Translocation before and after. This in the case of there is the blank and the food, but here is the small portion will be this change, and this is called the one portion will be changed to this. Here it is called the AB and AB. This is called the after translocation. This is the before translocation. So translocation is the process one chromosome, part of the chromosome is transferred to another chromosome. That is called the translocation. Non-disjunction and failure to separate of a chromosome during the meiosis. This type of non-disjunction and cause of gametes to have a too many or too few chromosomes, and disorder like Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. These are the due to the non-disjunctional mutation. Chromosomal mutation, in case of animation, no, there is no point. And type of genetic mutation include the point mutation. I discussed with the substitution, insertion, deletion, and the frame shift. I discussed in previous class also. The point mutation, that means a single base will be changed. That is called the insertion or deletion. And substitution, sometimes one base is substituted. No, TT dimer. Here is the A is replaced by the T. Insertion means addition of one base and to another base. That is called the insertion. Deletion, that means one base will be deleted from the one genes. And frame shift, total frame will be changes. It is called the frame shift type of mutation. And that type of mutation causes some different types of disease also. Point mutation, change of the single nucleotides, include the deletion, insertion, or substitution of one single nucleotides. Point mutation, as a result the point of mutation there is a sickle cell anemia. The RBC will be sick, and generally in case of hemoglobin contain 11 genes, and in case of position number 6, the aspartic glutamic acid is replaced by valine, that produce a sickle cell anemia. The RBC will be sick and the oxygen carrying capacity will be reduced, and ultimately the anemic and severe anemia, and finally death may occur due to point mutation, or it causes the sickle cell anemia. Cause occurred in the hemoglobin gene. Frame shift mutation, insertion or deletion one or more nucleotides and change in the reading frame, like a changing in the sequence, proteins built and incorrectly, or the misfolding or chaperone. There are form different types of cancer due to the frame shift mutation. Gene mutation animation. So these are all regarding the mutation. If any question or do you understand, do not understand, please ask me freely. Okay, thank you very much for listening the lecture. If you like it, like me in my YouTube channels, or you share or any comments in the comment box. Thank you very much. Any question? Hello?